Here is another calculation of mean, median and mode in continuous distribution. Continuous distribution, nothing but if you are given the classes and frequencies. There are classes 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, and frequencies 7, 12, 15, 12, 7. Okay, this is your question, and this is column of our answer. Okay, the first calculation is for mean is equal to x bar nothing but summation fm nothing but summation fm upon m nothing but the midpoint of each class. Okay, that is the center of 0 to 4. What is the center of 0 to 4? That is 2. Center of 4 to 8, that is 6. Okay, suppose if you cannot understand the center of each class, then how it is to be calculated the midpoint? Midpoint nothing but is equal to L1 plus L2 divided by 2. Suppose you cannot understand the midpoint of 8 to 12, then what is the L1? That is 8 plus L2, that is 12 divided by 2, that is 20 divided by 2 is equal to 9. The 10 is your midpoint. Okay, then summation fm means what? The sum of the column of the fm means what? The product of f and m, that is 7 into 2 14, 12 into 6 72, 15 into 10 150, 12 into 14 168, 7 into 18 126. Then take a sum of the column of fm, that is 530, divided by sum of the frequencies, that is n, that is 53. Then answer you will get the mean by division is equal to 10. Okay, for calculation of median, we have to calculate median class. Firstly, class of median class is equal to class of n divided by 2th items, that is class of 53 upon 2th items is equal to class of 23 upon 2, that is 26.5th items. Then what is the class of 26.5th item? Find first greater CF than 26.5, that is the 34. Then the corresponding class is your median class, that is the 8 to 12. For this median, then median is equal to, as usual formula, L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon f into C. Okay, L1 nothing but the lower limit of that class, that is median class, that is 8. Okay, n by 2, n divided by 2, that is 53 upon 2, that is 26.5. 26.5 minus CF, cumulative frequency. CF nothing but cumulative frequency of previous class. The cumulative frequency of previous class nothing but not a 34, but the previous class is what? Frequency, cumulative frequency, that is the 19. Okay, f means the frequency of median class, that is 8 to 12 frequency, that is 15. Okay, into C. C means what? The class interval nothing but the difference between two limits, that is equal to 4. Okay, that is 8 plus 26.5 minus 19 is equal to 7.5 upon 15 into 4. Okay, 8 plus 7.5 into 4, that is 30 upon 2, that is 8 plus 2, that is equal to 10 is your median class. Okay, sorry, median, 10 is your median. Okay, the third calculation is for mode. Keep in mind that for calculation of mode, you have to calculate mode class firstly and then calculate mode. Keep in also mind that there may be chance of getting different classes of for median and different class for mode also. Okay, mode class is equal to class which has maximum frequency. The class which has maximum frequency, that is 8 to 12 has a maximum frequency, therefore this is your mode class 8 to 12. Then mode is equal to L1 plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into c. That is L1 nothing but the lower limit of mode class, that is 8. Okay, f1 nothing but the frequency of mode class, that is 8 to 12. 8 to 12 frequencies is equal to f1. f0 nothing but the frequency of previous class, and f2 nothing but the frequency of next class. Okay, then put these values in your formula. f1 nothing but 15 minus f0, that is 12. 2f1, that is 2 into f1, that is 15, minus f0 12, minus f2, that is also 12, into c, class interval, that is difference between 8 and 12, that is 4. Okay, 8 plus 15 minus 12, that is 3. 2 into 15, 30, minus 12, that is equal to 18, minus 12, that is equal to 6, into 4. 8 plus 4 into 3, that is 12 upon 6, that is 8 plus 2, that is equal to, mode is equal to 10. Okay, keep in also mind that there is not necessary of each and every answer, that is mean, mode and median are identical. That is, there may be chance of getting each answer will be different. Okay.